everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back with the 13 Haunted Projects of Halloween series, and I'm doing number 10. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute gift box from one sheet of 12 by 12 cardstock. I just tied some twine around it and put one of my tags I had in my stash, and I just stamped Trick or Treat. This is my new stamp set, which is from Miss Sparkle and Company. You can get these at Joann's. Just use the Trick or Treat sentiment. Okay, and then inside I have some tissue paper, and I tucked in some yummy treats for my bestie's son, because I'm going to be sending some treats to them. So I thought he might like some Trick or Treats as well. And it's really simple to make. I learned how to make these from a blog called ribbonsandglue.com, and I'm just going to set this aside. I'll post a link below to her blog. There's a written tutorial there, super simple. I'm just going to do a video and share it with you now. So you want to have one sheet of 12 by 12 cardstock. You can use double-sided or one side like I have. This paper that I used today came from the Hocus Pocus paper pad by Recollections, which I purchased at Michael's. Okay, so let's get started. You want to put your 12 by 12 sheet in your scoreboard and score at 3 inches and 9 inches. And then flip it once. You want to score at 1 inch, 3.5 inches, 6.5 inches, and 9 inches. Okay, let me move my scoreboard. And we're going to do some cutting, but first you want to fold up your score lines. I love these types of gift boxes for Christmas. You can put Christmas cookies in them. I like to make those pretzel sticks, dip them in chocolate and give them to people, or chocolate covered pretzels. Just line your box with some wax paper and put your treats inside for coworkers and family members and friends, or you can tuck them in all your Happy Mail. Okay, now we're going to start down here where we have our 1 inch flap. You're going to want to cut off this corner here. So we're going to cut off the 1 inch piece and this piece here from this whole corner. Okay, so we cut that part off. And then directly across, you want to do the same thing on this side. And you can always use this to make a tag if you wanted to, if you didn't have any Halloween tags in your stash. And you could decorate your boxes however you like. I just kept mine super simple, you know, just with a tag. By the way, it measures 6 inches across by 3 inches high by 2.5 inches wide. Did forget to share that with you. Okay, so this part's going to be our lid here. We have the 1 inch piece, then this piece. Now we have 3 sections here and 3 here. So this section we're going to cut on the score line to meet the other score line, but we're not going to cut it off. Okay, and then I'm going to cut a little angled piece, kind of miter the corner there, and get that out so it looks like that. We're going to go straight across and do the same thing on this side. Cut straight on your score line. And then I'm going to cut a little angle piece out. And this just helps when I'm going to go to fold it up. When I fold it up this way, it'll be flush with the top, and you'll see what I mean. So now I'm going to flip it around. We're going to do the same thing to this section. We're going to cut straight on the score line, meet up with the next score line, and then take out a little corner of this flap. Go across, straight, and then cut a little angle out of the flap. Okay, so your box should look like this. We're going to be folding it up and folding this up and then folding this up. Okay, so we'll start with this back part first. Fold these two flaps down here, and we're going to add some glue. I see that my battery is going, so I'm hoping this continues. But you're going to glue this section and this section. Okay, and fold it up to meet. Sorry. Fold these two ends to meet, and then this as well. And I like to put it down so that I can run my bone folder in there. And we're going to do the same thing with these two flaps. Add glue and glue and fold this flap down. And same thing here. Kind of go in there and push down with your bone folder. And that's it. That's our treat box. Folds up like this. This flap goes inside, and then you can use your twine. I cut mine at 25 inches with a gift tag, and you just fold that closed, put your tissue paper in there, your treats, and then wrap this around and tie it up, or decorate it however you'd like. I just did a simple twine and tag with mine. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I hope you like this project, and have fun creating yours. Thanks for watching. Take care.